बुलाना चाहूंगी the very beautiful, the very very gorgeous Sonakshi Sinha. तालियां थोड़ी और बज सकती है. Can we have a big big round of applause for her? सभी बच्चे थोड़ा हाथ उठा के जोरदार. Can we see a hi from all of you? Thank you. Ma'am, please be seated. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause? I want to see all your hands up in the air for the very beautiful Sonakshi Sinha. So I can see a few kisses also in the air. Okay, so now I would like to invite two children from Smile Foundation, please. And they're coming on stage and they have few questions and they want to ask few questions to Sonakshi. So these are very young kids and they are very excited to meet Sonakshi. So here we have Mishra, Astha and Sakshi Singh. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां. A big, big, big round of applause for both the kids who are here from Smile Foundation. So they want to ask few questions to you. So you want to get seated, please? All right, so here you go with the mic.
This is one interview I'm looking forward to.
Good evening, Dee. My name is Astha Mishra. So my first question is any childhood memories?
My childhood memories, wow, there's so many. For one, I think I was unlike any other child because I used to love going to school and love playing sports in school. So सबसे पहले उठकर जाती थी. I used to go before school, play football for 1 hour, then sit through school, and then after school also I used to play my throw ball or volleyball and then come back home. So I used to love playing sports in school.
Hello जी, my name is Sakshi Singh. मेरा पहला question ये है कि what does fashion mean to you?
What fashion means to me is something that keeps on changing all the time, and for me it's important because I'm in this profession, but if I wasn't, I don't think that it would have been at the forefront at all, because I would have loved to play some kind of sport and all and just wear anything that came to my mind and not worry about all that.
Who is the source of inspiration in your life?
I think my mom. Everyone has seeked or gotten inspiration from their parents, from their family at some point or the other, so I'm no different, and my mom definitely inspires me a lot. Hi everybody.
So these kids, they have made few cards also for you. A lot of greeting cards they have made for you. So we'll carry on the questions also, but these are few cards that they have.
What is your subject in this school?
So that's a very beautiful card, and all the kids, they have made few cards, especially for Sonakshi.
What is your hobby or what is your favorite city in Mumbai?
Thank you. Yes, the next question, please.
What is your favorite subject in the school?
Biology. अच्छा, अभी ये सब रटे हुए questions है. आपको क्या पूछना है खुद अपने आप से? Anything, ask me anything.
Your favorite cuisine?
Oh, Indian food. I love Indian food. मैं जब shooting पे भी जाती हूँ बाहर, तो सबसे पहले ढूंढूंगी Indian restaurant कहाँ है, and I'll make sure that my food comes from there.
अगर आप स्टार नहीं बनते तो क्या बनते?
Well, क्योंकि मैंने फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग पढ़ा है, मैं शायद स्टाइलिस्ट बनती या फैशन डिज़ाइनर बनती, बट मेरा बहुत मन था एक टेनिस प्लेयर बनने का बचपन में.
आपके बचपन में कितने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स रहे हैं?
Oh, आई थिंक क्वालिटी ओवर क्वांटिटी हमेशा. तो मेरे 2 या 3 बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो पहले से थे स्कूल से, वो अभी भी है. एंड दे आर द मोस्ट प्रेशियस टू मी.
सो यू स्टिल मीट?
या.
आपकी फेवरेट हॉबी क्या है?
अभी आई लव टू पेंट. I also paint like you guys, and I draw and I sketch. फिर मुझे sports खेलना पसंद है, मुझे dancing तो पसंद ही है, and luckily I get to use a lot of my hobbies in my profession, which is singing and dancing. So yeah.
So do you are excited for Dabang, or you know that you are getting this film?
No, it's happening. I know that I'm in it, but I'm very excited because I started off with that. So really looking forward to it. And my life changed when I did part 1, and now we've reached part 3. So it's very, very exciting.
Great. Ma'am, I would like to tell you that these questions, they were not prepared for it. So really, they are asking all these questions on their own.
I'm so happy. You want to ask me something?
Anyone
No?
else?
You?
Anyone else?
Anyone
You
else
want
wants to ask me anything? Huh? No, they're all feeling shy now. Huh? You want to ask, I know. Huh? So cute. They're all shy.
Great. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. So,
Thank you.
thank you so much. And there are a few questions which I would like to ask you. So, Palladium is always being a great place for shopping. So, what is your idea of a great shopping? Or what is your idea of shopping here at Palladium?
I think whenever I've been here, it's always been a pleasant and good experience. There's so much to choose from, and it's huge. First of all, lots of things to do, lots of shops to go to, and always a great experience. So yeah, and in fact, it's the go-to place for even most of my friends. So yeah.
Okay. So, Palladium is supporting Smile Foundation, #SheCanFly campaign through this initiative. So, what is your thought about this?
I think it's a fantastic initiative. A big percentage of the proceeds are going to go to the Smile Foundation, which I'm so happy about, and I'm really glad that I could also come and be a part of it with you guys. It's a fabulous initiative, and I feel that whatever little that we can do on our end to help the people that need it should be done. And I always support anything like that.
Great. So you have been in a long relationship with the Smile Foundation, So what is your idea, and how do you feel that they are doing such a noble cause for all the kids, for the underprivileged kids of the society?
I think it's brilliant. I mean, more than us putting a smile on their faces, these are the kids who put a smile on our faces and give us so much happiness. So it's really the least that we can do for them. And every time I meet them, they're so warm, so loving, so caring. Look at this. I'm super
And
excited.
they have come here half an hour back and they have done this.
This is amazing. I can't wait to read these and see all your amazing artwork. But yeah, this is what I'm saying. I mean, just putting a smile on our faces is the highlight of their day, and I feel that that's the kind of innocence that we should all really look forward to in our lives, and it just brings us back to that.
Correct. So, ma'am, you sing very well. All of us, we know that. Can you sing 2 lines of your favorite song? Anything for all the kids here at Smile Foundation.
I'm going to make them all sing with me today.
Perfect. So all of you have to sing together with her. Fine? Ready? Excited? Smile, smile. Smile Foundation, smile. So you pick a song. Tere mast mast do nan. That is what I remember. So you can take that mic, and all of you have to sing together with us, okay?
Come aage, everybody.
So all of you to come a little ahead.
Come. Ready? Okay? The table is there.
All of you can come here. Yeah? Come like this. It's fine. अभी ठीक है?
Yeah.
मैं टेबल निकाल देता हूँ ये तो फिर इतने सुनिए जगह नहीं मिले ऐसा पिक्चर हो जाएगा
अच्छा Great, so are you guys excited? So now Sonakshi is going to sing a song for all of us. Can we have a big round of applause for Sonakshi, please? Wherever you are standing, wherever you are. A big round of applause for her, please.
Come on.
Come on.
Tora party. Ready? चलो. तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन. वाह वाह. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
I think we'll make a great girl band. What do you think, huh?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Come on, let's do it. We have to start our own band now. Come, smile everybody. अरे पकड़ के रखो यार साथ में. हाँ, एक मिनट नहीं नहीं. You hold this mic. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, lens change. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, kids.
Come. They can be here. Do we still have? Yes, of course. Two? Okay.
No, the kids will stand behind. Wow. Stand. We'll all stand, yeah?
So as I told you that Palladium every year donates a percentage of its sales proceeds to an organization. So this year they are donating to Smile Foundations. For this, I would like to invite Mr. Rajendra Kalkar, President West Phoenix Mills. A big round of applause for Mr. Rajendra Kalkar, who is the President West Phoenix Mills. And he'll be handing the check to Ms. Manisha Singh, National Manager, Smile Foundation. And they are donating 7 lakh rupees to Smile Foundation. I think that's a great initiative by Palladium. And all of you can come a little ahead. Can you put our hands together for this great initiative that Palladium is taking and extending their helping hand towards Smile Foundation by donating a generous amount of 7 lakh rupees from their sale proceeds.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now I would request Mr. Kalkar to speak few words and how excited you are, how happy you are to complete 9 years of Palladium.
Thank you, Smile Foundation. Thank you, Sonakshi. It's a tradition that every year we have been donating some top line of the Palladium on the date of its anniversary. This is the 9th time that we are doing this. And every year the amount is only going up. So that is, we are more encouraged because the amount is going up. We do a lot of business, but people forget that you have to give back to the society what you at times earn back. So this is one of the small contributions that Phoenix is doing from its side for the society, and especially these young children who will see some advantage out of this. So thank you, Smile Foundation, for taking this opportunity and giving us this opportunity also. And thank you, Sonakshi, so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So now I would like to ask Manisha, how are you feeling getting associated with Palladium this time? And
See, with Palladium, the association again is going bigger and better with times. But a special mention is very much required because Sonakshi remembered us right from her first film. I would go back to Dabang. The first screening that she hosted was for the children of Smile Foundation. So for us, it is always very emotional whenever we get a call from her to come forward and support our initiatives. And girl children and education for the girl child has been very dear to her. And Palladium has been very forthcoming for nutrition and education. Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot to us at Smile Foundation. Thank you.
thank you so much. And now, Sonakshi, how are you feeling coming here and celebrating the 9th anniversary of Palladium here with the children of Smile Foundation?
It's great, especially because it's for such a wonderful cause. And like I said, it's not us that put a smile on their faces. It's them that give us the opportunity to do so. And I'm so happy that I've been able to, help in some way. But honestly, it's just... I don't know, I guess you can say you're working through God, and I love doing whatever little that I can. And I will continue to be consistent because it just makes me very happy in my heart. So thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And now I think Smile Foundation, they want to give a token of appreciation, a token of love to Sonakshi because you have always been a change maker for Smile Foundation. So that's a small certificate of appreciation and love from Smile Foundation to Sonakshi.
My biggest token of appreciation is here, which I will keep very safely with myself.
Great. Thank you so much. And now we will be doing a quick media interaction. We will be taking few questions from the media.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. So questions from the media are welcome. If you want to ask any question, you can please raise your hand. If you want me to pass the mic to you, I can do that. And we would request you to ask questions related to the event, to this particular event. Yes? Okay, I think that's too far. You can ask your question. I'll forward it to... Yes, there's a mic. Yeah.
Hello, Sonakshi.
Hi.
I just want to ask that I've seen your movies. You are really unique from the other celebrities. Like you are very fast forward, and I see.
Fast forward.
I mean, like very honest with the audience. Like not other celebrities. I follow you on Instagram and see your pics. So, what about your other upcoming movies like Dabang 3?
Thank you. Yes, that is one of my upcoming movies. I have Kalank, which is going to be my next release, and then I will start shooting for Dabang 3 very soon. And a couple of more very interesting projects, which I will tell you when it's the right time. But yeah, thank you for your support and love always.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Any more questions from the media? Any more questions? Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and
Thank you so
everyone.
much.
Ram straight, yeah. Ram straight.
Thank you.
So ma'am, it's a 9th anniversary of Palladium and they are collaborating with the Smile Foundation. So what would you like to say about the unique idea?
I think it's fantastic, and I think it's a wonderful initiative that they have come forward and given, such a big percentage of their proceeds to a charity like Smile Foundation. And, whatever little we do goes a really long way. and I always love seeing the smiles on these kids' faces. So I do whatever little bit that I can, and it's amazing just being here.
Sonakshi, जैसे आपने कहा कि आपका relation with Smile Foundation has been since the first film. How has the journey been, or what brings you back every time you are, if I have to ask you?
I think, we are very fortunate that we are put in a position where we are able to help people, and if we do not make use of that, that I think is the biggest sin in life. So, truly thankful to God for whatever He's given me, and whatever I can give back in whatever way that I can, I try and do my bit. This is also a part of that, and I hope that it goes a long way for them, because these kids deserve all the happiness in the world, just like any other kid, They just happen to be a little less fortunate than the others, so I don't think that should stop them from attaining the kind of happiness that they deserve. So.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, apart from Kalang, you have also done one iconic song called Mugda.
Yes.
So anything you'd like to share, because it's an iconic song of Helen ma'am.
I'm very excited. In fact, it's my second song of Helen Auntie this year. I did Chin Chin Chu also, and I'm really looking forward to it because I mean, she's such a legend, and the song is so catchy. They've redone it very, very well, and we had a blast shooting it, so I can't wait for it to release.
So actually, one of your most loved films is Lutera, which you did with Phantom Films. The Phantom Films is it's dissolved, as we all know, and there are various reasons, allegations against Vikas Bahl. Discussion is going on in the film industry. Many actors, actresses have spoken up about the allegations that have been put on him of sexual harassment. What is your reaction when you hear such things within the film industry, such cases, such
See,
incidents?
all I'm going to say is that should women speak up when they have been wronged? Of course, 100%. Should the men who have wronged the women be punished? 200% yes. But I also feel that the facts and figures should be verified before the media talks about it, before we talk about it. If it's in the hands of the law, I think the law should take its course. And but yes, definitely women should speak up, and the men who have committed such things should be punished. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sonakshi ma'am.